Do you have an instrument cluster and purchased a replacement that needs programming? Or perhaps your local dealership isn't able to program your unit to match the mileage on your vehicle? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ernest with UpFix. Today I'll be going over the topic of mileage programming for your vehicle, why you might need this service, and how it can be done. So there might be several reasons why someone might be needing mileage correction. If your original instrument cluster is not working correctly, first visit our website UpFix.com and see if your unit is supported for repairs. However, if it's already been deemed not repairable with an internal circuit failure, the only option is to replace it. If the dealer actually has one, it would need to be programmed in car, and it must be brand new with 0 miles in order for any authorized dealer to be able to program it. Sometimes this isn't an option because older instrument clusters simply are no longer sold by the manufacturer, or there's a national backorder. The dealership won't be able to help you here. That's where we come in. We can program used instrument clusters as well as brand new ones. It's important to note that any mileage programming service must be disclosed to a potential buyer of the vehicle, meaning that if you've had your instrument cluster serviced and reprogrammed, it's your responsibility to inform the buyer of having this service done. If you visit our website UpFix.com, you'll see we support most makes and models. Visit the mileage programming page specifically for your vehicle to see what you'll need to send in prior to purchasing the service. Many vehicles only store mileage information on the instrument cluster alone. However, there are some makes and models that store on not just the instrument cluster, but on a second module as well, like the body control module, the CAS, EWS, FEM, etc. All that information can be found on our website. Purchasing a mileage programming service is a pretty straightforward process. You would state the exact year, make, and model of your vehicle, what the current mileage is, and requested mileage. After purchasing the service, you'll receive a disclaimer to fill out. The link would be sent via email and text message. We require a signature for every odometer mileage programming service. We can usually get it within plus or minus 300 miles of the requested mileage, meaning if you need an exact value, our programming service might not be what you're looking for. If you have a particular vehicle that's not on our website and need this service, submit a custom repair request by providing your vehicle info. Someone will reach back out to you and let you know whether it's something we can assist you further with. And that's a wrap for this video. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.